I'm Lucy Regan. I am Head of Product at IG Design Group. The company is all about bringing stationery and greetings products to life for our customer base. This is all major retailers on the high street. We're here today to work out a project around the cracker innovation and trying to drive newness into the product category. We are really looking for something different that thinks around sustainability, generational change and technology advances based on what we found in our consumer research.
I took part in the project because I think that opportunities like this don't come along very often. Being in third year, looking for a job next year, prize is doing 2 weeks work experience with them. And I think that developing skills like this whilst making a product will very much help me to be able to get that work experience.
We obviously get the benefit of the new ideas coming from the students, but also for the students to have the opportunity to work with us as experts in our field, and also gives them an opportunity to then come and work with us if they are successful and get to do work experience with us to then take their project to life and work around all the different departments depending on what their skill set is.
I think that this project has challenged my skills by being a completely different thing to anything I've done before. I'm very much more of a CAD person, so it's all 3D printing. Working with crackers is paper and cutting. I think it's good because I've worked with sort of interior designers and different sorts of designers, but I think that textile design is completely the other way. I've also learned quite a bit from just chatting with the textile students, so I think that's going to help me a lot for the rest of the year.
The project today is hopefully going to open up different types of approaches. The creative thinking from students is often very creative, and that's what we're looking for today.
I signed up to it because it's a really good opportunity to connect with disciplines and companies from outside of the university, which is also then really good for networking after uni. One of the main things that we do is interdisciplinary relations with other courses, and it's something that other universities don't necessarily do. For this project, we got to work with textile students, and it was really interesting to see how they focus more on the aesthetics of the outside of the product, which is really interesting to see because we take a lot more focus on the ideation stages.
I'm actually a graduate from the course, so 20 years ago I was doing this very same course. I've taken quite a journey in terms of my career since then. I set my own design agency, working with consumer electronics brands, with Disney, Hasbro, 20th Century Fox. And my career eventually took me to working at IG Design Group.
We can use any of the facilities in CSAD, so we can try out anything, and now we have more connections to be able to go out and try those different facilities.